not they cruel. Now, some of the stories that we grew up with, we want to pass them on to the younger one, because I'm sure some of you guys remember these things. Rolling calf.
Don't even go there, because you're afraid.
Look, when we had rolling calf, right, there was no light in the whole place. The whole light we had used.
Yeah, that's why I'm afraid.
And when there was no moon, we have to like back and touch. Right.
Buckle because
Buckle up?
Yes.
Okay. My good friend and I get left late out one night. He's about 14, he was 13. But we think we are big, man. We can walk, man. We can go. So we take the back and torch. And we are walking on. Big afraid and little afraid. But we're not showing. Me not afraid and him not afraid. And we start singing. Loud too. You know that frightened sing when you sing? To tell people say you're not frightened? Caribbean happy go in zit market, not a party what sell. Caribbean happy go in zit market, and when we catch down a dead man gully. When everybody said let's sit up down there. We get through it, we never see none. And we are going on, we are 6 years as loud as we can. The whole place are here with. We are going on. No house, you know, this is just a lane. Right? And when we get up and see me no more gully. Anybody from St.Thomas?
Yes.
There's a place called See Me No More Gully, you know it?
No.
Yeah man, there's a must go. All two of them there. You see? One year St.Thomas and one year Portland.
Okay.
Right, let me tell you about the one with me know.
We're in St.Thomas.
No, See Me No More Gully is a little road.
Which part in St.Thomas that day?
I'll tell you. When you're coming from Kingston, going to Marion Bay,
yes.
when the Yalas River come down
Yes.
and wash the bridge, you have to turn up that bush if you want to go.
Oh, yes.
Cross.
You're the island too long. Right, so See Me No More Gully, when you get up there, the road is windy. And when you get that See Me No More Gully and look down, you see why they call it See Me No More Gully. So when we get here now, chill breeze catch me. But before we tell you that, we don't know what rolling calf?
Yes.
Somebody let me know about rolling calf. Rolling calf is the big adobe.
Yes.
Come in the farm of a young cow.
Yes.
With a chain and jack behind him.
Yes.
Make a body for nice. Tail the bonfire. And the two behind them red like fire. So we are walking, chill catch me. Me stop. Me look at my friend. Me think dopey. Him think dopey too. But we don't say no. All of a sudden when the breeze come up round the back to we have darkness. The light don't be all the lamp. We think now. We try and walk on. When we looking at the darkness, the right is not too ready to see a come. And we turn around back. We'll let out the secret, man. We turn around back. One and two ready, I come in the other way. My friend decides, say, nah, I'm going to get you to jump over and see no more. I'm standing there, frozen with fright. Right? Don't know what to do. 10 minutes later, you drop my shot down there. We look up the road and I get closer. We look down the road and I get closer. We talk to myself, Lord have mercy. The whole people say, we only got to get you. So we jump. And when we are going down, we hear my mother say, boy, get up, it's time for school.